Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in today's video let us learn about the difference between a warranty and a guarantee. So friends, we come across these two words warranty and guarantee when you purchase a new product. So warranty and guarantee protect the consumer rights as they provide solution in case the product purchased is faulty. Whenever you purchase a product, the buyer will promise you many things. However, if the product is defective, you will lose all your money. This is where warranty and guarantee will help you. It will ensure that the product is fixed or replaced if there is any problem in the product. Most of the time, many people get confused between a guarantee and a warranty. As a customer, before buying any product in a traditional or online mode, you should know the difference between a guarantee and warranty to avoid getting cheated. So here we will see what are the differences. So now let us understand what is guarantee. A guarantee is a commitment made by the manufacturer to the buyer. Here, if the product under the guarantee is of low quality, then it will be repaired or replaced, or the money paid will be refunded to the buyer. So now coming to the warranty. Warranty is an assurance given by the manufacturer to the buyer. That is, if the product breaks or if there is any problem with the product, then the manufacturer will repair the product for free. Also in warranty, the manufacturer will not replace the product. For example, consider that you have purchased a mobile which is having a warranty of 6 months. And suddenly after 2 months the mobile stops working. So now you can take it to the service center and get it repaired for free. So friends, if the product which you have purchased is not under warranty, then you will have to pay and get it repaired. So we can say that the guarantee covers the products and the services, whereas warranty covers only products. In case of guarantee, refund of amount is possible if stated, but whereas the refund of amount is not possible in case of warranty. So now let us consider the example of the product not covered by the warranty. Let's say that you have bought a mobile which is having a warranty of 6 months, and after 3 months, if the mobile slips from your hand and the screen breaks, this is not covered under warranty. Here you need to pay and get the screen replaced. After the completion of warranty period, you can extend the warranty by paying an additional amount. But in case of guarantee, after the completion of guarantee period, additional guarantee cover is quite rare. So friends, we can conclude by saying that the guarantee is a kind of commitment made by the manufacturer to the purchaser of the goods, whereas the warranty is an assurance given to the buyer by the manufacturer of the goods. Also, we should note that the guarantee is a free of cost. On the other hand, customer have to pay for the warranty to safeguard the interest. Also, one of the most important difference between the guarantee and warranty is that in case of guarantee, the money back is possible if stated while purchasing the product. However, this is not possible, that is, money back is not possible in case of warranty. So friends, that's it in today's video. If you have liked the video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel to get such more updates in the future. And thanks for watching.